Hi fam, what is up brothers and sisters? This is Digital AK47 aka Ashok. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will be talking about the evolution of digital marketing. Don't worry guys, it will be not more like a history class or any online lectures. I will not boring you by saying some timelines or some old events. So this video will be thoughtfully for knowledge purpose. So before we get into the video, let me just tell you that we post videos of new students practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay tuned by subscribing to our channel just like this. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. In the today's fastest growing world, digital marketing is playing a very virtual and important role for every businesses and many other sectors to develop their businesses and also take it to the very next level. So actually, before we talk about digital marketing, let me discuss about the second word of the term, marketing. Basically, marketing is an art of skill, selling to the right product to the right place for a business to reach their product or services to the audience. Basically, people get confused between market and marketing. No, actually, they are both are very different. Market is actually a place, and marketing is a skill or an art or a practice to take and develop the skills to reach the right target audience on the right place for services or business. Basically, the marketing skill evolves between the four P's. The four P's are product, price, place, promotion. But in the modern world, there are four C's. Don't know what's four C's of the marketing? I have displayed in the screen here. You can check that. Just like this, these are the four C's of the marketing. Because we need the both P's and C's for the marketing purposes. Whether it is digital marketing or a traditional marketing, that doesn't matter. Because marketing is the only practice. The platform differs because traditional marketing is also still active now. Even though it is maybe in the saturation or going to exit, but it is still in the active, and also digital marketing is actively running in many countries, and also India is developing and also investing in the digital marketing also. Now let's see the evolution of digital marketing. If you want to know the history and the origin of digital marketing, research the internet because I will be not taking much of your time in this video. Basically, digital marketing evolution I will be covering this video like this because from the traditional marketing for a business, it has been evolved and also innovated our businesses to the latest technology available in the world now. Because digital marketing has improved and also involved in many things to take your businesses in very much and wider level. We haven't think that before that how this will bring this innovation to the businesses and also in many other fields. Because digital marketing is the only and the tried and tested effective way, even though it's having some sidebacks or also feedbacks, some errors, maybe there because fine because every new concept will have some criticism or else some drawbacks or some feedbacks regarding it because everything should be improved because digital marketing is an improving day by day. If you find a thing today, it will be not available on the tomorrow because digital marketing is day by day changing, also improving day by day. If you find a thing in internet today, I will sure that you will not find that thing in the tomorrow because ranking will change. You can't predict the future. How will it be look like that? So because you have to practice with the trend and also you can stay in tune with the future trends as well. And the next thing with the digital marketing is businesses, those who are practicing or also outsourcing the services of digital marketing, usually they have a query or question about that. I am doing digital marketing but I am not even getting sales or query from the audience or customers towards my business. Basically, the answer for this is consistency and patience because success doesn't come in one day. Even if you are taking the traditional marketing as your marketing till date, it is very cost worthy and also you know that it will take time because if you are practicing traditional or digital marketing, it takes the time and practices what suits for your business because there are many number of channels for digital marketing which suits your business. You have to decide that first because approach is the second thing but the decision is yours because this business is yours. You have to take the decision with the digital marketing. There are n number of channels which may suit your business towards the success for the digital marketing. So in the end guys, digital marketing is in the latest evolution. Even if there is communication between the clients or customers, it is very easy. If you want to show off your brand online also, become your business very successful online, there are social media marketing, Google ads and many other things with the digital marketing. So we are using the latest technology now for our business or any other fields which you have to grow online. Digital marketing is the best way to involve your business in the online growth. So fam, that's all for this video. Make sure you share this video, like this video, drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are not following me on social media, my social media handles are on the screen. You can follow that as well. So fam, stay tuned for the next video. Till then, get connected and stay updated. Bye.